Saudi Arabia is celebrating India Week under its flagship Global Harmony Initiative. DD India's correspondent Munmun Bhattacharya spoke exclusively with Indian Ambassador to Saudi Arabia, Dr. Suhail Ajaz Khan, about India's culture in Saudi Arabia, his interactions with Indian artisans, the embassy's efforts to promote Indian culture, and future prospects for cultural and entertainment collaborations.
In Riyadh, in Saudi Arabia, where the Global Harmony Initiative is underway. This is like a celebration of cultures of various expatriate communities living here in Saudi Arabia, and Indian culture has been given a prominent place. Joining us now is Indian Ambassador to Saudi Arabia, Dr. Suhail Ajaz Khan. Such a pleasure to have you, sir, here at the heart of what looks like a cultural festival. There is an India Week being celebrated. How does it feel? Why does India matter?
Over next 9 days, we are going to see Indian culture being celebrated here, from Bollywood music, from dances, from our artisans, from handicrafts, Indian food. So it's a beautiful celebration of Indian culture, and I'm so happy that all our Saudi friends are enjoying, and they are connecting with the Indian culture and appreciating the Indian culture here.
How was your interaction with the artisans? I saw a glimpse of a bangle being gifted to you.
It was amazing, and it was amazing how they can, create a magic in 1 minute. They make these bangles with beautiful designs, and I think this has become also very popular among our Saudi friends.
How the Indian embassy here in Riyadh is promoting Indian culture in Saudi Arabia, and what is the kind of reception that you are getting to the promotion that you are doing of Indian culture?
We at the embassy also do a lot of cultural activities with our Indian community. In fact, we had 1 week long cultural event at our embassy, which just finished yesterday. We call it Pravasi Parichay. It is again a cultural extravaganza. It's a festival of India where all the Indian communities from various states, they come together and celebrate Indian culture. In fact, as part of that, yesterday we had a grand finale with the Gita Mahotsav, where we had a big musical performance on Bhagavad Gita.
Very recently we saw the three Khans from India together on one stage. So what is the kind of potential that we are really seeing in the entertainment sector when it comes to collaboration between India and Saudi Arabia? Because that is a glimpse which is rare.
All three were there together at the stage, and they spoke extensively about entertainment, about films, about how we can develop connections between Indian film industry and Saudi Arabia. There are possibilities of joint collaborations also. So, and in any case, Saudi people already love Bollywood. They know Bollywood very well, and Indian movies are extremely popular here.
Thank you so much, Dr. Khan, for speaking to us on DD India. So that was an exclusive conversation with Indian Ambassador to Saudi Arabia on the close cultural connect that exists between India and Saudi Arabia and the possibilities going forward. With cameraman Pramod Negi, this is Munmun Bhattacharya from Riyadh for DD India.
And DD India correspondent Munmun Bhattacharya also spoke with an Indian couple, Vimal and Shobita from Kerala, who were relishing authentic South Indian flavors amid this multicultural celebration. Suwaidi Park has transformed into a miniature representation of cultures from around the world, and most importantly, it beautifully showcases the essence of Indian culture.
We have with us here Vimal and Shobita. They make an Indian couple from Kerala, and they are here enjoying the festivities here at the Suwaidi Park, where Global Harmony Initiative is underway and cultures of various countries, including food of various countries, are being celebrated. India is being prominently celebrated. How is it to be here as a tourist, and have you been enjoying this previously also in the previous years?
Yeah, actually I'm working here as staff nurse, and my wife also working here. Every year in the Riyadh season we are coming and enjoying the every moment.
This festival is also like a culinary delight, and we can see South Indian dosa here particularly, also the Indian chaat from Delhi perhaps. So you have chosen to eat Indian food here in a multicultural setting also. You love Indian food so much?
Yes, we are tasting all kind of food, North Indian food, South Indian food, and Eastern type of food also we are enjoying, and we are choosing different food stalls, and we are asking them the different kind of food what you have, and we are tasting the food and different kind of culture we are here enjoying.
For how many years are you here?
Me already 10 years already.
You also for 10 years?
Yes, yes. I'm also 10 years here.
Is it believable that there's so much of Bollywood dance, music here in Saudi Arabia? Maybe 10 to 15 years back, nothing of this sort was here. So is that transformation really stark?
Yeah, its transformation is really amazing. We didn't expect this kind of change here in Saudi Arabia.
Do you feel welcome here in this multicultural setting? Because like we are saying, various cultures or various countries are being embraced here.
Yes, yes, we are very impressed because we can see a very different. Really, it's a different culture for everything.
So different cultures are being embraced by Saudi Arabia, and Indian residents like this couple who are living here in Saudi Arabia feel quite at home here. It's like a home away from home for them because the transformation of Saudi Arabia is profound since the launch of Vision 2030 in 2016. With cameraman Pramod Negi, this is Munmun Bhattacharya from Riyadh for DD India.